Alright, so I'm just heading up now to check on the Dodge, see how the paint turned out. I painted the whole thing in Bedliner just because it's my work truck, and the body was looking pretty rough on it. Things always getting beat around and everything. Make it look a little tougher. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put enamel over it or not. I don't know. Might, since I have it all taped up. But it went on fairly easy. I mean, except with that truck, it's an old work truck. And it had a lot of scrapes and dents and holes. We live in a rust belt up here, so I figure if I'm going to keep it around a few more years, I better do something with it. See, let's pull in here and see how it looks. Got some other things I need to do to the truck too. Just black cat. Oh, healthy. Okay, check it out. Oh, yeah. Actually looks really good. I forget how long it takes for this stuff actually to fully cure. I think it's like 72 hours or something. So I'm probably gonna just leave it in here. Yeah, but it looks pretty good. I have to get it outside and we can see a little better. Yeah, it looks a lot better than it was before. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna paint over that or not. Get out in the sunlight here. I did everything, the handles and everything. It looks good though. Yeah, so that's it there. It's my 98 Ram with the whole body is bedlined. It turned out really good. I really like it. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the enamel over it yet or not, so we'll see. I guess hopefully got some real big wheels and tires coming for it, like 38s on this thing, so it'll look pretty stout. Hopefully getting a big brush guard, got a winch. What else? I don't know, a few ideas. Anybody has any ideas, make it look cool, let me know. Oh, got a huge American flag. I mean enormous, so that'd be cool. And we're doing a video on a radiator for a GTO and the Ranger out there. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna bedline the entire thing, and then I got a bunch of glow-in-the-dark paint. I'm gonna paint it all glow-in-the-dark, so should be pretty cool. So keep watching if you want to see that. And oh, this thing here too, I got I think next couple days I got some ball joints. So if anybody needs to know how to put ball joints on solid axle, keep watching it. It's a lot of fun, I can assure you. But any ideas or questions, just let me know.